Costa Rica: An Overlooked Opportunity by Tanner McNally, Elizabeth Nielsen, Matthew Norton, and Austin Smith. The political climate in Costa Rica is stable and viable for expanding our business. Costa Rica is the most stable country in Central and Latin America. This is partially due to their army being disbanded in 1949, as the country is now a constitutional democratic republic. Defense funds are now reallocated towards education and healthcare, providing for a prosperous and educated population and healthy citizens. Costa Rica is open and receptive to foreign direct investments. Costa Rica also has free trade zones, which are areas in the country that are considered to be outside the national consumer territory. Free trade zones in Costa Rica are privy to tax incentives, such as 100% tax exemption on import duties on raw materials, components, and capital goods, taxes on profits after 8 years, export taxes, local sales, excise taxes, and taxes on profits, along with municipal and capital taxes. Universal health insurance has brought world-class hospitals to Costa Rica that serve their population and other foreign patients. 30% of the national budget has been invested into primary and secondary education, and universities in Costa Rica provide a solid education at a fraction of the cost that we associate with universities in the United States. Firm 7 has multiple vastly different products that we plan to bring into the Costa Rican market. Costa Rica has the fortune of touching both the Atlantic and the Pacific Oceans, with major shipping routes following the Panama Canal beneath it. This will allow us to import our high-quality road bike at approximately $50 per bike on established coastal shipping companies. Firm 7 also has a more affordable road bike and a lower-priced mountain bike that do not make economic sense to be shipped if they can be manufactured in Costa Rica. Production of these products in Costa Rica will allow Firm 7 to offer a durable and affordable road bike and mountain bike to the masses. Throughout Costa Rica, mountain bikes are by far the most popular bike, however, not always by choice. With Firm 7's introduction of an industry-leading road bike, our company will be catapulted into the forefront of this country's bike scene, catering especially to the top 10% of Costa Ricans. With name association to our high-tech and high-dollar road bike, our mountain bike and low-priced road bike 2, will be a more affordably priced alternative for the lower wage earners of Costa Rica. The spearhead of my company's establishment in Costa Rica has been based around a high-dollar road bike. This was specifically planned, as the road bike scene in Costa Rica is severely lacking. For instance, San Jose, which is the capital of Costa Rica and the highest population city, has 23 bike shops out of 45 for the entire country of Costa Rica. Of these 23 bike shops in San Jose, only 2 sell a road bike, neither which are to the quality of Firm 7's. Bikes are an established aspect of Costa Rica's way of life. This is at least partially due to a lagging trail industry and cars being priced at the hands of most Costa Ricans. While the rail industry was previously heavily used for the transport of raw material, it has fallen into disrepair and never had travel available to the ordinary citizen. In Costa Rica, there are just 2 registered cars for every 5 people, versus an almost 1-to-1 ratio in the United States of America. However, Costa Rica still has over 3,000 miles of paved roads and thousands more unpaved. This leaves an excellent opportunity for a road bike focused company. Firm 7 recognizes that there are 45 bike shops in Costa Rica. We are asking venture capitalists to invest an additional $8.4 million into our expansion of San Jose and the subsidiary Costa Rica. We believe that the middle-class demographic Costa Ricans will benefit from a $750 mountain bike that is both durable, affordable, and produced in their native country. The wealthier population of Costa Ricans who live in downtown San Jose will benefit from our road bike line. This product will more greatly serve the urban population and already existing road bike shops in town. Business partners of Firm 7 bike shops recognize the population needs both mountain and road biking. Costa Rica contains a variety of different terrain types, including concrete, mud, dirt, and forest floor. Supplying a reliable, durable, and affordable mountain bike will allow Costa Ricans to enjoy mountain biking more. Will venture capitalists invest the millions of dollars needed to provide a successful business expansion in Costa Rica? This expansion will provide successful business to an already flourishing bike market. This is what bike shop Firm 7 is asking for a Costa Rican expansion. Thank you for your time.